Hey there, thanks for joining us again today for another Enrole training video. You should feel fairly comfortable with the sales desk if you've watched that video so far. So today we're going to cover events and especially the event wizard. So from the sales desk, let's click on events at the top and home, and this will take us to the events dashboard, which is very similar to the sales desk dashboard. And so you'll see upcoming sessions, recent instructors, tasks, and recent facilities. So today I thought, as a good example, we'll create a new session for the Microsoft Excel course, and it's going to be in October on Wednesdays, and it will be at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, their computer labs. So just to give you an idea of kind of what session we're going to make. So let's click on the event wizard from the left. So the event wizard is quite handy. It gives you a step-by-step guide to create any kind of event, and you can see what we will be assigning today with the event wizard. So first is the course. So Excel is already in the system, but if not, you can create a new course using that. So let's search for Excel. There it is. And we will assign. Click Next. And it's going to be taking place in the fall of 2014, which we have a promotion for. There it is. And once again, you can create one. And let's create a new facility for the UNC Computer Labs. So UNC. And right now I'm just going to make up an address. That's in Chapel Hill. And here you can enter contact information and an image path to show up on the online shopping cart. So click Create Facility. And we'll go on to the next step, which is Coordinator. We can search here and we'll make Simone the coordinator. And next. And Andrew will be teaching this class. Andrew Moravati, so add him. And with instructors, you can add more than one. So if we wanted to, we could create another one or just search for another instructor and add them. Click Next. So here we are at the final page of the event wizard. And you'll see we've filled out probably about half of the information so far and can change the information that we put in if we'd like at this point. So the next step is to enter a unique ID without any spaces or punctuation, which this question mark will tell you that. So let's do Excel 1014 for October 2014. And we want it to show on the web, yes. And next we'll create pricing. And we'll do an early bird. Let's make that $2.99. And that will expire the end of August. And let's add another fee. This will be the standard fee at $3.49. And so the early bird expires August 31st, so we'll activate the standard September 1st. Now create and save. So there's our instructor, promotion, facility. So now we'll choose the start date. How about October 1st? So it'll be on Wednesdays for 4 weeks. So end on the 22nd. And this is after work, so 5 to 6:30. And there are only 20 computers in the computer lab, so let's make the max enrollment 20. And now we'll save and create the session. And voila, there is our new session right here. So you'll see all the information we put in, and on the right side you'll see who created it, and then when it gets modified, who did that and when. And then our statistics box will show how many registrations we have, who's paid, or how many have paid and have not, cancellations. And then what's really neat is that we'll see the revenue coming in. We can put expenses in and so easily see what the profit is, how profitable this class is. So next, let's click schedule on the left, and this is to set up our occurrences. So it's going to be weekly, every Wednesday, and the date range, that's good. We don't have to fill this out, it'll automatically do it for us. And the start and end. And now you'll see the four days we have this. And if you wanted to, say one day the computer lab is booked a little later, so we need to start the class at 5:30, say on the 15th. So instead we can put 5:30 p.m. and then we'll make this to 7. And then you'll see that that will change. And let's click save. And now you'll see this is updated to every week on Wednesday. And then our time, Alright, so now that our session has been completed, we can go over to the online shopping cart and see it in live action, what your customers will see and can register for online. So here's the cart, and I put it under the category OSHA Lifelong Learning. So we'll scroll down, Microsoft Excel, October 1st to the 22nd, perfect. And then view full schedule. You can see here on that Wednesday that I changed the time. It has it 5:30 to 7, so that way you can see the full schedule. And also you can add to your calendar directly. You'll see Andrew and his biography and the facility. So your customers can add to their cart, check out, and bam, they are registered for Microsoft Excel.